So problem number 4 gives us a between problem. So we're looking for two z-scores. We're looking for this one right here, which is going to be a negative z, and we're looking for this one right here, which is going to be a positive z, and they should be the same number. The only difference between one of them is going to be positive, one of them is going to be negative. Now, they're telling us that 95% of the area is going to be between these two z-scores. Okay, so we need to focus on, because we can only do area to the left, and the area to the left, if we're using, I'm sorry, let me verify. If we're using StatCrunch, we can do 0.95. Let's just go ahead and go do that. We can use StatCrunch. We just have to go to between, and we tell them that the area is 0.95, and it then gives us the two z-scores, negative 1.96 and positive 1.96. And this right here is, let's see, 95% of the area. Okay, now let's think about this though. If this is 95% of the area underneath the curve should equal 1. So what have we learned to do? We've learned to say 1 minus the area that we know. That leaves us 0.05. That's this area over here. So 5% of our area is this unshaded section. Well, we've got two unshaded sections, and we know that they should be the same size because we did two z-scores that are the same. So the area underneath or to the left of this one and the area to the right of that one is the same. So we're taking this 5% right here and we're dividing it into two equal parts, because part of it is over here and the other part is over here. Those two added together will give us 5%. So you take 5% divided into two equal pieces, and you get 0.025. So you have 0.025 over here, and you have 0.025 over here. Okay, now a couple of ways we can handle this. This is an area to the left. This right here is the area to the left of this negative z-score right here. This is our z-score. And the area to the left of that is 0.025. Now, we already know that that is negative 1.96. But what I want to show you is that if you take this area right here, 0.025, and you go look on your table, 0.025, 0.022, 0.028, 0.025 is not exactly on there. Oh wait, here it is, 0.025. If you take 0.025 is right here. So you go over here, negative 1 point, why didn't that stay? Oh, for goodness sakes. I don't know what's happening, why it won't stay. Where was I? 0.25. It's still not going. I've changed a setting anyway. I don't know what I did. And now I'm set on trying to do this. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the z-score is negative. The z-score is negative 1.96. Okay, so that's that area over there. So if we run back real quick and look at StatCrunch, what about this z-score over here? What if you wanted to find that one? Okay, well, what do we need? We need the area to the left. So the area to the left is this entire area all the way to there. Okay, so how much area are we talking about? Well, we've got, that would be this number right here and this number right here. So 0.95 plus this 0.025 gives us a total area to the left of this score right here of 0.975. So again, if you wanted to see that on the Z table, you go over here and look up 0.975. Go down here, 0.975. Looky there we have it. 0.975 right here. And you look over here and it's 1.9, and you go up there. The Z score is 1.96. Okay, so that's how you would use the table. If you're going to use the calculator, you have to do one of the areas to the left. So you can't do between on the calculator. So you would have to do inverse norm, and you would have to type in 0.025. And it would give you negative 1.96. And then you would have to do the other one, number 3, and it was 0.975. And that's 1.96. So that's, again, how you would handle doing your between. You have to do the area to the left. So you've got area to the left of this one, and then you've got area to the left of this one. Okay, and how did we find these two little pieces? We said 1 minus 0.95. That's how we got the total, and then we divided it by 2. And that's where we got 0.025 for this right here. This is 0.025, and this right here is 0.025. Okay, and so we got z-scores of negative 1.96 and a z-score of positive 1.96. Okay, so I'm going to do these real quick. I've lost track of my time, but it doesn't matter. This is just saying that they're looking for, all this is doing is telling me that the area is 5% or 0.05. This is telling me that the area or the probability is 50%, which is 0.5. And this is telling me that the cumulative area, and again, we're talking about the area to the left, they are giving me this, is 90%, which is 0.9. And you would just look up 5% on the StatCrunch, or you look at 5% on the table, or you type in 5% on the calculator. So that's what those are. I do have on, let's see, if you go to the chapter 5 in here, right here where I have teacher notes, it may not be exactly what I have turned in, or what I'm doing right here. It's an older version of it, but you'll see that I have it worked out. Okay, so you can check. I'm giving you an opportunity to do that on your own, and then you can go back later and check. I have it all worked out. Okay, so I do have the teacher version of the notes listed for you on Blackboard. Okay, so as you're reviewing this, please let me know anything I can do to help.